Yo, TikTok. Singing right, yo, hey, yabona lapho ke. Ngenza ivideo. I did 3 videos futhi. Ngikhuluma about something ngikhuluma ngama Freemasons ngisho okay ngikhuluma ngama Freemasons trying to educate abantu and show them what we do have
break it down le nto isho ngoba asifuni ukuthi abantu basikhuluma ngama Freemasons khuluma ngani
ama Freemasons it's a church like isonto but isonto for the elites sonto for elites njalo because everyone olaphayana kulela sonto somehow by some miracle in a position of power somewhere somehow whether umfundisi whether a minister kodwa nje khona iposition of power onayo whether we president. I was explaining that kubantu whether when the music and you're big with music I was explaining that kubantu telling them ukuthi sinesonto kanje telling them ukuthi kuleli sonto they wear ama rings. That's how you spot umuntu okulela sonto la there were certain rings okwazi ukubabona ngawo now abafike bawaveze anywhere they go and then mase ba authorize wa ukuthi okay bona bangene ama back door phela bama VIP everywhere they go because of the ring even nakuma airports anyway nje nakuma hotels there are certain hotels whereby they don't necessarily need to pay all they need to is baveze ring so okay you're Freemason you're a member nakhona kuya ngama levels akhona. That's what I explained. I even showed pictures. Ngithanda content yami. I give you the documents, I show you the pictures. I showed many pictures of abantu abaningi bewaqhulela amarengi lawo. Yabo some of them bewabantu mhlawumbe benibazi some of them bathukile yabo.
Bakhona siyabona nje lamarengi akhona and uqinisile ama pastors nama bishops whatever position you can mention yabantu abagqoka lawo maringi uyabona ngama glass walls
exactly
nje amasonto amakhulu banama branch abaningi with glass walls it's isonto
inkampani mawubuka lapha kubhalithi lodge you don't even notice it's no it's a church lapha it's a secret society ngoba ni uzudlula ubonsi okay party lodge fine unganaki udlule but ke to those abakwazi ukubona those who watch my videos now they know ukuthi okay it's actually a church. The church of Freemasons and they benza certain things to gain power and bana certain influence like South Africa and even abroad. You just need to be a member and the doors open for you.